Here is how you use the new Highway Assistant that allows you to be up to 130 kilometers hands-free on the brand new BMWs. Now this system is going to be part of the advanced driver's assistance package on the new BMWs with iDrive 8 system. Now this is going to be for the higher end of the BMW models right now, so for the X5, the X6, the X7, and the brand new 7 Series. We'll also start to see this come in on the new 5 Series, but I'm going to walk you guys through how you activate it while you're on the highway so that you can go completely hands-free off the steering wheel up to 130 kilometers per hour. Okay, so before we get on the road, the first thing that you need to know is you need to have the vehicle map. So you got to make sure that your dealer has initialized the back-end mapping of the vehicle so that on the map app you have the orange colors and the red and the green for real-time traffic info. That is very important. The second thing, it's going to only activate on major highways, okay? So you have to be on registered and mapped major highways. The third requirement is you have to have your driver profile logged in. So you have to have your driver ID. Now, if you want the video on your driver's ID, just click the link here, or I'll leave it in the description below. Now, I'm gonna head out onto the road. We're gonna get to the highway, and then we'll show you how to activate this system. Okay, so in this system, this allows you to do some adjustability. So you can do for driving, there's distance control. So distance control is now through the iDrive 8 menu. It used to be on the steering wheel, but no longer, it's in here. So you can have that far, medium, or close. You can also have situational distance control. So it's going to change the distance control depending on the situation that you're in. You can also turn off the radar sensing cruise control. There's route and intersection assistance, so we're going to turn all of this on. Cornering speed low, lane guiding with navigation, steering wheel impulse. Assisted driving, this one's very important. So you have to come in here and you have to make sure you have assisted driving plus, because that's what it's going to be. The Highway Assistant, when you're activating it, is going to be called assisted driving plus. So you have to make sure that that's check marked off so that the system's going to activate. So in order to activate the cruise control, the first thing is down at the button right here. You're going to click assisted driving. Perfect. Now we have assisted driving on. Now if you click mode, you'll cycle through and you have assisted driving and you have distance control. We want to have assisted driving. We're going to turn this up to 130. We'll do it 129. So right now, we're not 100% hands-free. It'll be hands-free for a bit. You can see it's keeping us center in his lane, but it's asking us to put our hands back on the steering wheel. Now you need to have assisted driving plus pop up here in order to go hands-free. It will tell you when it's ready to activate the full plus. So now you see it says Assistant Plus ready. After you've been on this mode for a little while, Assistant Plus is ready. You click the mode button again, and then it pops up that menu. You click it again, and Assisted Driving Plus. It shows you on your head-up display, shows you on your infotainment system. Assistant Driving Plus is now active. So we are 100% hands-free. You can see everything's green, steering wheel's green, you're green on your gauge cluster. It's gonna keep us up to 130. I'm actually gonna tone that down. We're gonna keep it maximum 110. Now you can see we are hands-free. So we are on the Don Valley Parkway, which is actually pretty curvy. So we're gonna get off at the next exit, but this shows you guys how you activate that system. So basically you engage your cruise control, you drive for a little bit, and then when Assisted Driving Plus pops up, you click and you activate that button, and then you are hands-free. And if you want a lane change, you just turn signal, and it does the lane change. Oh, there's a car coming in. The car was lane change, scared me a little bit. But you can see the lane changed here. It did it pretty much for us. There's a little intervention by me at the end there. Looks like Assisted Driving Plus needed my hands back on the wheel for a second. I'm gonna keep my hands close until I get more comfortable with it. And then we want a lane change as well. So it's doing the lane change for us. And that is how you use Assistant Driving Plus. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys found this video useful, please smash the like button. And don't forget that if you're in the Toronto marketplace and you're looking to purchase this or any other BMW, feel free to reach out to me. I'm gonna email down below and I'll help you guys out. Make sure you guys subscribe to stay up to date on my how-to video guides on BMW's iDrive 8 system. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next video.